Hi students, today let us discuss about first class English worksheet 2 class readiness. You see here, circle the vehicles. Here some pictures are given in the box. In these items we circle only vehicles. Once you see here, what are there? Apple, jeep, ball, boat, monkey, bicycle, bed, aeroplane, train. Here we circle the vehicles only. Apple is vehicle? No. Is the apple not vehicle? Apple is fruit. Here jeep is vehicle. Next boat is also vehicle. Sheep. Bicycle also vehicle. Bed, it is a thing. Aeroplane, it is a vehicle. Train also vehicle. Jeep, sheep, bicycle, aeroplane, train. These are vehicles. Next, second one, match the following by drawing lines. You see here some pictures are given this side and this side. What are there? Aeroplane, rocket, parachute, car, boat, helicopter. What is this? Fire engine, sheep. In these pictures, all of these what vehicles except parachute. These are all vehicles. Some vehicles are go on the road. Some vehicles are go in water. Some vehicles are go on the sky. Which one goes to road, on the road? Which one goes on the water? Which one go on the sky? These are divided three types. We can divide it. First one, aeroplane. Aeroplane, where it is go? Where is it go? In air. Match this. Next one, what is this? Rocket. Rocket also, it will also go on sky. This is a parachute. This is also fly in air. What is this? This is car. Car is going on the road. Here, what is it? Boat. Where is it go? It will go on water. Helicopter. It goes on sky. What is this? This is fire engine. It goes on road. Next, this is sheep. It will go in water. I can match the three types of vehicles here. Okay, here next bit. Join the dots as directed and copy the lines. Here we have dots. We match these lines like it. What is this straight line? Before this one standing line, this is sleeping line. What is this? This is sleeping line. You can write down like this. 1, 2, 3. Another line also write like this. Sleeping line. It is useful to. It will useful to make alphabets. Next, join the dots and color the picture.
Now we have to join the dots.
Now we have to join the dots. Which picture is this? This is car. Go and bring colors. Make the dots with a line. What is this? Car. C-A-R. Car. Every dot is must be touch. This is car. You draw like this only. You must be use pencil only. Which color car do you like? I like always white color. But here white color is not appearing. That's why I am drawing with a color. Which color is this? Red color. Tomato red. This is nice. It is a tomato red color car. Which color? Red color. What is this? Car. Spell out the car. C-A-R. Car. Do you like car? Yes, I like car. I travel on car. This is a red color car. It is very beautiful. Okay. Which color two tires? There are in black color. The tires are black color. Glasses are in white color, but white color is not show me. That's why I looking for beautiful, colorful. Draw this color. It is very colorful, like you. It is very beautiful. Okay, children. How is it? It is very
Nice.
nice. It is a nice car. Okay. Next, second one is what? This is a car. First one is C-A-R, car. Next, second one is bicycle. What is this? Bicycle. Cycle.
B
B-Y B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. Cycle. C-Y-C-I-C-Y-L-E.
ICL.
C-Y-C-L-E. Am I right?
Yes.
Which is you like more, bicycle and car? Which one is do you like? I like car. What a drawing, very nice. Bicycle have how many wheels? 2 wheels. Car have how many wheels? It have 4 wheels.
Car contains 4 wheels. Bicycle contains 2 wheels.
How many members are travel in car? 4, 5. 5 members are traveling at a time. But in cycle, 2 are 1 member or 2 members are traveled in cycle. Which one is better for environment? Cycle is better to use our environment. Low cost travel vehicle.
Low cost, low damage.
Wow, it is very horrible to me. It is equal to drawing only. The dots are very hard. Now coloring the picture. Okay, now coloring the cycle. Tires, which color? It have black color. So I can use black in color. Black in color. Okay, this is back tire. This is front tire. This is also black. Okay, na? Next, seat. Seat is I like blue color. Which color we want? That color only. Seat. These also I wear pouch. Next handle. This is red color. Most colorful cycle. This one. Okay. Next, what about wheels? Wheels are right.
Pedals.
Here pedals. It also black. Okay. This is the bicycle. What is the bicycle spelling? B bicycle. This is bicycle. Okay, children. Thank you for watching.